Hello, this is SarahJM, and have to tell you guys that that my SD card crashed, so all the stuff that I recorded for this week's vlog got lost, and now I just used two old videos that I had on file and combined them and used them for this week's vlog. So hope you understand, hope you will like it, and enjoy watching. Preparing my wheat perfection shake. I see it as a snack, after workout snack, or you can even drink it before you go to sleep. So shake. My neighbor is watching me. I think it looks weird, you know, when somebody stands in their house and they're just talking to a camera or to themselves. I kind of think that he thinks that I'm talking to myself right now. Oh well, who cares? Oh, that looks so delicious. My furniture, or my stove, I mean, needs some real cleaning. Ugh, I can see the grease. So this is my favorite one to use. People say I'm crazy for using it like this, but it just helps me get rid of the stains and fat that's on my stove. See? Clean how I like it. Really need to reorganize my shoes. So shoes are organized. So the shoes that I don't wear very often I've placed in here, and the shoes that I wear often I've placed in my haul. Kijken, misschien ga ik vanavond of eindmiddag dan wel even langs bij haar. Ah. Oké. Nou, ik ben benieuwd. Ja, die vlog. So, just came back from the Media Markt, and I bought this hard disk, so you can just save some big files on it. Because I was buying all those mini sticks, and it was costing me. So these were on sale. So I have a whole lot of space to place some videos on it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. So arrived at my mom's. So let's see what my mom has in her fridge because I'm hungry. Ugh. Let's see. No. See some chocolate. Let's see. I think I have a sandwich or something. Wow. Peanut butter sandwich. Waarom lachen jullie?
Crazy. Look at that arm, man.
Is it full?
Look at your leg. I'm eating it now. It's interessant. I'm chewing it now.
Yeah.
I swallow it now. Ik dacht wel dat we dat zo zeggen. It's in my stomach? No. In mijn, hoe zeg je het, mam? Maag? Stomach. And it's adjusting now. It's in my spijsvertering now, in mijn darmen. Another bite. Go again.
Fuck off.
I'm chewing it. I'm swallowing it now.
They don't get it. They don't. So we're heading to my sister's house to get my presents from Aruba. So we're going
kunnen doen en tape maken van Aruba.
Ja, die ja. Dat was vet geweest, ja. Onderwatercamera zo.
I know, zo'n pro-go, weet je wel.
Nee, het was echt vet hoor.
Ja, dat zou leuk zijn.
Man, doe eens even normaal joh.
Ja, weet
gaan
niet.
mensen toch geen dikke noemen?
Ze is vet lief aan het lachen, gaat mama weer
Wie is die dikke, ja. Echt. Oh my gosh.
Gewoon aan de overkant van jullie flat. Maar iedereen...
Nee, ga niet. Waar moet ik barbecuen?
Balkon, dat heeft mevrouw.
So we picked up the present. I'm not so happy right now because the present was a sports bra. There were 2 of them, but they're too big for me. So.
Dan moet dat ook af.
Auntie pas got them. Auntie, yeah.
It's a wonder that it's
So annoying. They need to keep talking as soon as I put on this camera. I don't know why. Jeez.
Meer.
Oh, helaas.
Zie je dat?
Good morning. It's Sunday and the weather is looking good, so I'm excited. And yeah, now I'm off to get some groceries because my fridge is like really empty. So yeah, I'm ready to go. So this is my outfit for today. So a black tank top, some trousers, pants, I don't know. Well, it's blue. And yeah, some shoes. I just got them recently. And I got them from C&H for only like 29 euros and 95 cents. And because I'm going to walk, these are the perfect shoes to wear right now. So yeah, and I'm going to put on some sunglasses. Oh. Yeah, so, oh yeah, and I still need to grab my bag. And then I'm ready to get some groceries. Gorgeous weather right now. So, having a walk in a small park called Victoria Park. So, it's quite beautiful here. You guys can see the view very well. Check it out. Let's see. So we have good weather right now. The sun is shining bright. Let me show you the statue. Little dogs behind me. And I have my groceries with me. Whew. So peaceful here. Like a minute from here. You can, yeah, it's a minute walk from here, and then you can see the city. And then over there it's all like hectic. And here it's all like peaceful and beautiful. Done with filling up my fridge. So because of the warm weather, it's so important to hydrate myself. So
Julia.
Hoi.
Happy birthday.
So we're on an adventurous mode. Lots of things are going on in the city. So we're just going to have a look and see what's going on in oh.
Oh ja, die klopt. Ja, het is zo duur, 12 euro voor een biertje. Als je een willekeurige Noorse kroeg binnenloopt en een Noorse jongen biedt jou een biertje aan en jij neemt dat, is het eigenlijk zo'n investering in jou, dan moet je het maar weg. Ja, dat is ook.
No, let's go.
Niks hè?
Toilet paper until, so just got a stock for a year right now. Octopus is going to carry it. Yum yum. Ice cream time.